So, ano? Sir Reggie?
Sa akin, first of all, I'm very thankful for Team 5, Slingshot, and of course, this is my first time to work with Ken and Andrea. I'm very excited. And ang maganda kasi dito is yung sinabi nila yung story and yung role na binigay sa akin. So, first time ko lang na maging politician dito.
Interesting!
Bumili nga ako ng Land Cruiser kagad. Kasi kailangan sa eksena. So, yeah. Sasoli ko rin after. Pero yun, maganda yung story. And of course, merong touch ng of course yung mga nangyayari ngayon sa bansa na yun.
Thank you so much for that, Marty.
I think nasabi na po nila lahat, no? But I'll go leading towards the representation ng characters dun sa story. I would say it's not stereotypical, so dito na makikita yung mga representation, especially to the young ones, like of my same generation, like ako as Angelito, siya as Sophie, the representation that it shows na hindi, kung ano yung nakasanayan natin, ayun yung makikita natin. So ibang atake ng story, ibang atake ng character, and I think dapat yun yung maabangan din natin.
At yung brotherhood yun ni Ken.
Yes, of course po. Yes.
Pati
And of
yun.
course, the family. Me coming from the Pinagpala family. And the family po talaga yung nakakaya. And also, I would want to commend the cinematography. I would say it's not very teleserye vibe yung cinematography. It's more of like a movie. So, maganda po, maganda.
Thank you, Quinay.
Meron pa ba akong dapat sabihin? Parang sinabi niyo na lahat. Pero ganun pa man po, feeling ko, for me naman, isa din talaga sa dapat yung pong abangan, siguro yung chemistry namin ni Marky. Siyempre, I think bago to sa mata ng lahat. Yes, na meron akong ka-love team, ganyan. Pero, ayun po, I'm so happy. And sana po ma-enjoy po ninyo to. Sure. Thank you.
How about you, Ian?
Well, more than my character, siguro, doon din ako na-excite. Especially, first and for all, yung tambalan ni Ken and Blind. Na talaga, I'm sure,
Kinilig ka din?
Oo, kahit tayo nung una nating narinig, sobrang wow, ano to? Anong kakalabasan nito? So yun yung feeling kong dapat nilang abangan. At yung mga characters ng bawat isa, yun yung natutuwa rin ako dahil sobrang Filipino core yung story talaga, yung narrative.
AJ?
Yeah, so halos nasabi na nga po lahat, no? Pero bukod sa may magandang story siya, as you can see, it is filled with very talented actors and very passionate directors. And I'm very grateful na kasama ako sa project na yun lang po.
Mr. Ruben?
Subtitles.
Subtitles.
Titles.
Oh.
But I'm very happy to be part of this project. I love the mix of comedy, action, romance of this series. I'm also happy to work again with a very talented production team and creative team, and of course with Enrique again. So I'm just so grateful and enjoying this process.
I love you. I love you too.
And of course, Miss Kay.
Wala lang po, wala.
Oo nga. Ang dahil ko masasabi kaya huli. Oo, last but not the least.
Nakakatakot talaga hinuli. Hindi, nakakatuwa kasi dahil yung mga pinapangarap ko dito na matupad, ang magkaroon ng asawa, at maging mayaman. Sobrang yaman. Toko, may private plane kami, gano'n.
Ganun yaman? Mas mayaman ka na.
Hello, tsaka lahat ng eksena, meron kami bodyguard.
Oh!
So, hindi lang ito nakakatuwa, hindi lang tamang timpla siya ng action, ng drama of course. Again, yung family ba, kasi hindi kami nagkakalayo, di ba?
Of course!
Ako ang nanay ni Blind dito. Walang e-epal. Oo, hindi kami kasi lapit niya hindi ko nagkakalayo. So maganda kasi kahit mayaman, yung very Filipina pa rin tayo na makulit. Yun yung character ko na makikay pa din, makulit. Tapos asawa ko siya na nakaluwag-luwag ako sa buhay and everything. Pero di ba mga Pilipino, pag nakapag-asawa ng mayaman, ano pa rin? Yung Filipino pa rin. So, imbis na siya matuto ako mag-check Siya ang totoo mag-Tagalog.
Ayun, siya mag-a-adjust. Siya
Yes, siya
nag-adjust
nag-adjust.
sa'yo.
Hindi kasi ako margin, kaya hindi ako nag-adjust. Charot. Abangan niyo yung kanya-kanyang flavor ng character. Halo-palo.
Teaser pa lang, medyo naramdaman na natin yan. So ngayon yung katanungan naman syempre from our friends from the press is directed towards Direk Paco. Direk? Ayan, Direk, tinatanong daw nila, kamusta daw, iba i-direct ang ensemble cast na ito at yung naging experience nyo sa Prague.
Actually, hindi po ako kasama sa Prague. Tsaka it was Barry, my partner, who went to Prague. So hindi ko na-experience. Pero speaking from director's point of view, parang pamilya itong set. It's very light. So you look forward every taping day. Ano na naman to, ang saya na itong So hindi siya mabigat. Plus our material, sobrang light lang yan, dalang sundan. Pero when it comes to seriousness, seryoso, parang Pinoy talaga. Na pag nagsiseryoso ka, biglang babali ng comedy, ang sarap ng feeling. Tapos, of course, with the leadership of our creators, si Mark, si my partner Direk Barry, si Slingshot, and our producers. Tapos, with the ensemble na kasama namin, very masarap magtrabaho. You look forward to every scene. So, and then, they're all thinking actors. We're very blessed to have a cast like them na may input sila. Hindi lang sila ganito. They create, the collaboration po ito. So, it's something to look forward to po.
Thank you so much, Direk.
We love you, Direk.
Yes! And for, of course, our last question is for Sir Mark. What was your vision for A Secret in Prague when you wrote this?
Actually, the bigger story and is may creative credit dito si Ken because this is sabi ko when during the pandemic the conversation is what do you want to do in your life, gusto mo ba mag-direct, gusto mo and what is so plot twist sa buhay niya is, di ba, I wanna be creative, I wanna be a writer or something or create stories. Sabi ko, weird lang, gawa mo pa ako ng trabaho, tarantado ka, sabi ko. But the vision was really, back then, yeah, it was a dark time during that, a year after the pandemic, and it seems like, di ba, ang bleak, and there's a future ahead, the future ahead is not so bright. So the vision really when we were talking and creating this is to create a show na, alam mo yon, yung that it validates your experience but at the same time it provides relief kumbaga sa atin na tumawa tayo, kiligin ulit tayo, mag-enjoy lang tayo because life is hard, which is that is the vision that was set by Ken and nila Randall as
Ibalik ang saya sa mundo.
Ibalik natin ang saya.
Sa television.
And the fun thing about it is it resonated and it reflected in a way in the whole process. Meron ba tayong dumating na ba si okay, so but that's it. That's the vision to provide a show that can provide relief for our Filipino audience.
So, ang perfect timing niya sa mga nagaganap din ngayon, kailangan natin tong breather entertainment na ito. At eto na nga, syempre, before we wrap this up, kailangan nating palakpakan po dahil umamo si Sir Joel Torres! Crucial na part din po ng A Secret in Prague. Sir Joel, kayo po ang head ng anong ahensya? GH?
Global Agency for Government Operations, or in ang acronym GAGO. Hindi naman kami lahat GAGO, pero member lang kami ng GAGO Association. Hi, hello, sorry I'm late, but just came from another meeting which was very important. That's for the next topic, and it's good to be here sa A Secret in Prague. May hinuli daw sila sa Prague, ewan ko sino.
Saktong-sakto, di ba?
Meron ba?
GH din po ba nakahuli?
Sabi yun.
Oo, kayo yun. But thank you so much for joining again. Ito po, meron tayong time po no, to have a round table with the whole cast and of course the production of A Secret and Prague. But please, I invite everyone again to go at the center of the stage for the final photo opportunity.